My brother and I started grouse hunting with my grandfather when we were kids, and he had a passion for it, and it definitely instilled that in us. And I feel a real connection to both of them being out here. It's one of those things that you do that feels timeless. It's exciting, not knowing exactly when a bird might go up, trying to be perpetually aware of the possibility and yet wide open to the experience. I'm Harry Rowell. I'm a New Hampshire native, and I'm a grouse hunter. I've been grouse hunting for more than 30 years, solid 30 years. Grouse woods to me means an area where, you've got the potential to get on some birds, but it's a habitat that you enjoy moving through, whether you see the birds or not. They're not always going to be where you think they're going to be, and one of the great things is being surprised at where they are and making mental note of that for next year or a season down the road if you're lucky enough to have it. On that last note of how great a particular day was in the field and writing about that particular day, but framing it in the sense that it's great if we are lucky enough to have another day in the woods, but if we didn't, at least we had today. It was pretty amazing. It's a thought I try to think about anytime I'm in the field, but some days more than others.